My name is Dan Summers. I'm down here from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I currently reside in St. Augustine, Florida. I work with Dr. Garg as Chief Executive Officer for Comfort Care Medical Centers. And frankly, I had to buy into this program before I joined the doctor as an executive. The goal is to expand this corporation, but first of all, I had to buy into the program. And although I'm not a physician, I did an awful lot of research on my own to see if in fact it does have the redeeming qualities that Dr. Garg suggested it did. And everything I've read so far to date, and I've experienced personally by talking to patients, past patients and current patients, certainly deem it a worthy procedure. And after doing a substantial amount of research and reading on my own, and there's a lot of celebrities, but there's also a lot of individuals that are just walking the streets among us that have had this stem cell procedure that are back to normal very quickly. The healing process is non-invasive. The difference between orthopedic surgery and this is light years. There's no surgery, there's no hardware. The only thing you'll see on a stem cell therapy patient is a Band-Aid on the beach the following day versus a 12-inch scar and 4 pounds of steel in their back. The healing process is almost immediate. Stem cells, by the sheer nature of being stem cells, have an immediate healing process, and it's much like an aspirin where it starts healing immediately. And the healing process may take anywhere from 3 weeks to 3 months, but it does in fact heal the injury. I've had the pleasure of talking to quite a few of the past patients that we've put through Comfort Care, and frankly, it does nothing more than bolster the credibility of this procedure. Dr. Garg's done a tremendous job with a number of these patients, whether it's policemen, athletes, attorneys, individuals just off the street, celebrities, etc. They've all returned. 100% of the cases have returned back to an active lifestyle, one that they can go on and enjoy for the rest of their lives without having to worry about any kind of dangerous surgery. There will always be a place for orthopedic surgery. But through all my research, meetings and discussions with current and past patients, I'm very confident that over the next 10 years, stem cell therapy will begin inch by inch, foot by foot, yard by yard, replacing the necessity for orthopedic surgery. A lot of people that are suffering from spine and joint issues, orthopedic conditions, either can't afford orthopedic surgery or they're petrified of orthopedic surgery. And frankly, I can't blame them. Consequently, this is a solution. Stem cell therapy is a solution to sidestep that paranoia, if you will, certainly from the financial aspect and certainly from the safety aspect. Stem cell therapy is a very inexpensive, expeditious, and safe method to heal your orthopedic conditions. Consequently, the stem cell therapy is going to increase in popularity in a very short period of time. Probably, like I suggested earlier, it'll overtake orthopedics within the next 5 to 10 years. And adult stem cell therapy is a very simple and quick procedure, and equally as important, a very inexpensive procedure when you compare it to orthopedic surgery.